Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this Keto Blueberry Quick Bread. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. A quick bread, you know, is just a bread that you throw all of the things into a bowl and you bake it in the oven, kind of like banana bread. It doesn't have any yeast or anything like that. We're starting this recipe with 2 cups of almond flour, and we're going to add a half a teaspoon of kosher salt and a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to add a half a cup of granulated sweetener. I like to use Lakanto granulated. You could use Swerve granulated. You could use stevia if it's a 1-for-1 substitute for sugar. You could use Splenda, whatever you want to use. It's up to you. You get to decide what you want to use. Don't let the keto police decide for you. Okay. So we got all of our dry ingredients combined and a 1/4 cup of melted butter. So we're going to get all of this stirred up. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 cup of blueberries. I'm going to gently fold these in. You know, if some of them get smushed, it'll be okay. Okay, I've got a greased loaf pan here. And I'm going to pour or dump the batter into the loaf tray, loaf pan. We're going to press it into the loaf pan into a single layer. We've got our beautiful blueberries in there. And this is ready for the oven. This is going to bake in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. When a toothpick comes out clean, it's ready. Okay, our blueberry bread is out of the oven and it looks amazing. Look at that. So let's cut a piece. We checked it with a toothpick. Ooh. So excited. We got this little spatula to help get it out with. I don't know if that's going to work. Oh my gosh, look at this. So many blueberries. Look at that. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Time for a bite. And I need some butter to put on here, but that's okay. I don't need it. I don't need it. Amazing. That is, oh, that's so good. Buttery, blueberries, so good. Also, check out this recipe for my chocolate chip muffins. Just as easy as this recipe. Maybe, I don't know, I can't tell. I don't know which one's better, but definitely check that out if you're a chocolate lover like me. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.